Having a correctly threaded CTS tensioning cord is key to your safety net's tensioning system. Let's go through the steps on how to thread your CTS cord into your pulley system so your net will function properly. There are 12 pulleys tied in for every CTS installed. You will begin by identifying all 12 pulleys and noting their position. Note that this procedure will take place just prior to applying the net on the pool. Thread the CTS cord through pulley number 1, then pulley number 2, and down to pulley number 3. Continue threading the cord down and then to the left to pulley number 9, down to 8, right to 7, then to 6, and then continue over to 5 and then through 4. Then guide the cord across back up to the top left and through pulleys number 10, number 11, and finally through number 12. Secure the cord to your deck, keeping in mind that you will want the entry cord and exit cord to reflect 90 degrees or more.